Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you.
So here you can see this is the customer login where you will see the how many edges activated, links is there, what are IP stable. Even in the live mode you can see throughput, what is bandwidth throughput, latency, jitter, packet loss, quality of score I was talking about, voice, video. Now it's fine, right? So you can see this is actually customer view, not a partner, not a operator view. I will show you how it looks like. So under this you can see 4 sites are connected, one is offline, right? Under this Bangalore we can see one link is there. If here even IP you can see 172.16, link is stable. Here it's stable. Other thing, tomorrow we will cover that everything, but in Bangalore I will click. So here you can see which IP I am getting, right? Stable, on which interface, what is the bandwidth throughput, it detected automatically, 2 GB and 3 GB, latency, jitter, packet loss. Live mode is there, I can close the live mode. So under the live mode you will see the latency packet drop. Here is a QoE, the DMPO we are talking about. So here you can see latency, jitter, packet loss is good before, because here we don't have any latency, otherwise it will show you the red here or yellow, and here you will see the green. So under everything like voice, video, same kind of parameter. The blue line shows that where we are right now, transactional score, what you are getting. So this kind of information DMPO you can see here. Path, you can see the BCG, one path we have. So if you'll have a other path from this side to other side, the same kind of path it will show you, one path, two path, how many links you have, and according to that score you will be able to see. If your site is available on Asia and your site is trying to reach in US, so definitely the QA score will be less, because normal latency, you know that is very high from Asia to US. Here you can see some flows, because we don't have live traffic production. So there are multiple things. Okay, I was talking about this. It is the customer level access. Okay, let me log out here. So for the operator level, you need to type operator here. Operator. If without typing the operator, I will log in, it will not work. So what moment? Okay, so this is the basically the operator level view. So here you can see the total customer is here. Manage partner, there is a one partner. If I will click on this partner, under the partner there is a one customer mapped, training lab. If I will click here, I will go to the same dashboard where I was previously, in the customer dashboard. I click on back. So this is the how you can manage the partner. If you want to manage partner, manage customer, so that's how you can create. So if I will show you this one, go back. Here I have created one partner. Under the partner I have created one customer. Here you can see number one customer, 4 edges, one gateway pool. So you can also create another partner, like another company, that is in partnership, and simply you can say. Likewise, you can go to the partner and create another customer here. For example, you already sold out this Velocloud solution to one of the ABC company, and that company you want to create. So there is a options that what option you can give to that customer. SASE user management access he can do or not, if I will check it, but definitely license should be there. Administrative account, one moment, if I will click, or maybe I can show you the existing. Added customer system setting. Now that will not be a look like this. I will create one of the customer. Okay. ABC SASE management access. This is not mandatory. Next, here we can create ABC at any domain, training2.com, password ABC123. First name, last name you can give, mobile number, and contact email it will automatically pick. So there is a one thing in Velocloud, use username and password will always be look like a email ID. If I will create this one, it will not accept. Here, email is invalid. So username will always look like a domain name, local.com. Okay, password does not meet strength. Okay, now it's enabled. So if you are not meeting the password strength, it will not enable. I will click on next. Then here you can select some detail, gateway pool you want to define differently or not. So there is another thing in gateway that we call the partner handoff. That we call the handoff, you can say. I will describe on the paint why I designed that what is a handoff basically. Then you will understand the another feature or another function of the gateway. So if I will select here, or here is the SD. Another thing, edge intelligence, but it should have the license. We don't have a license, so edge intelligence you will select. So you will get the more analytics. Domain name, anything you can give. That's it. Okay, and that's how you can create. Now other thing, if you want, whenever first time you want that edge will spin up, so it acquired the certificate, deactivated or required. So this certificate part we will also cover when we will explore the orchestrator. What is the meaning of this one? The other thing is licensing. So licensing, definitely your partner will provide you only those licenses which you are eligible, or maybe which you have purchased from Velocloud. So from here, for example, you purchase 10 GB license, right? 100 MB license, 50 MB license. Simply you select here, it will move and choose show save. So only those licenses you will provide, because these are there are pricing, because when you are attaching those licenses to respective site, so basically it will monitor via the gateway, or you can say it will restrict the bandwidth because you have purchased the 100 MB license. So definitely you cannot send the 1 gig traffic, because whatever traffic you are sending, or maybe you are using gateway, so it impacts their performance. Basically it's a licensing that they have designed, and even here you can mention edge intelligence. It depends on your license, that how much license you have purchased for this one, edge intelligence. SD-WAN service must be selected in order to select edge intelligence. So edge intelligence, it depends on the license. So if you have purchased 10, then you can mention 10, right? So they can restrict. Here I am on the partner portal, not on customer. So they can restrict most of the feature. And if they don't want, so any license, new license you have purchased, then you will go to the partner. Okay, this is the PO, this is the bill I have already paid to the VeloCloud. Now please add this license to my orchestrator so that I can deploy more sites. So that's how it's managed. That's how partner and operator control your view, your orchestrator, right? So this is the way that. So in the lab we have deployed this VCO, and we have configured this operator, partner, and the customer. So that's how you are able to see. So if I will create this new customer, so automatically here you will see the another customer, third customer, fourth customer, five customer. So whatever you will see here. So I was talking about, one moment, gateway management. I will show you. So this is the gateway. Here you can see if I click there. So there is another option, this partner gateway. Basically it's a handoff kind of thing. I will show you what I'm talking about, the handoff. So we have this VCO, this VCG. In VCG, here we have VCO, because this is another concept. Now you have this SD-WAN fabric. This is whole your SD-WAN fabric.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.